The second thing is editors and reviewers should attend trainings and they should attend the authority figures in their domain.
Well, that's what we're trying to organize, like through reviewer credits,
Yeah,
like,
by
but they're,
putting by
yeah,
putting by putting their egos inside the cupboards.
exactly. Well, I mean, you're going to also write a blog for us, right? We talked about doing that. So put some content up onto the reviewer credits website, like maybe write a blog for
Why
us
not?
as well.
Why not?
That would
I
be
am with you.
fantastic.
You are
Thank you.
doing this, rightly. You are doing this
Thank you.
wonderful job.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am with you.
Thank you very much.
Because previously I am working all these, things just for myself. Because I am not an entity. I am not a incorporated body.
Okay, well, now we can start to do more of this work together. We
If
can,
we will join hands, we can do a lot of things.
yeah, absolutely. It's wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing these examples with us. Like, we'll put these into our podcast. We'll release that podcast in the next few days. But let me say your name correctly before we sign off. Chowdhury Mahmood Anwar. Thank you very much for joining us on the Reviewer Credits podcast. It's great to see you. Thank you very much, sir.